How to make Windows 11 faster. Step 1. Enable Storage Sense. To clear out junk files and free up space, go to the Start menu and open the Settings. If you can't find it, simply search for Settings in the search bar. Once in the Settings, click on System and then Storage. Now enable Storage Sense. This will automatically delete unnecessary files from your computer to help it run more smoothly. After that, click on Clean Up Recommendations and then select See Advanced Options. Uncheck Downloads because you don't want to accidentally delete your downloaded files. Check the other options and then click Remove Files. This will clean up clutter from your system. The Windows Update cleanup can take a while, for example a few minutes up to 1 hour. Step 2. Disable unnecessary startup apps. To speed up your boot time, go to the Settings, then Apps and click on Startup. Here you will see a list of apps that start when your computer boots. Disable any apps you don't need to run when starting your PC. Keep your antivirus enabled, but feel free to disable everything else that isn't essential. Step 3. Adjust privacy settings. Go to the Settings, then Privacy and Security. Under the General tab, disable all the options to improve privacy and reduce unnecessary background tasks. After that, go to Speech and turn off online speak recognition if you're not using it. You can also disable inking and typing personalization and diagnostic and feedback to prevent sending unnecessary data to Microsoft. Step 4. Uninstall unwanted apps. Go to Settings, then Apps and click on Installed Apps. Browse through the list and uninstall any apps you don't use. Windows often comes with pre-installed apps that can take up space and use system resources. For example, the Copilot or other stuff you maybe don't use. Removing these will free up storage and improve your computer's performance. Step 5. Clean temporary files. Press the Windows button and the R button on your keyboard and type in temp. Press enter and delete all the files in the folder. After that, press the Windows and the R button on your keyboard again and this time type in %, temp %, and press enter. Again, delete all the files in the folder. This will get rid of temporary files that can slow down your system over time. Thank you for watching and see you next time.